All right, guys, there's Academy. Going in so we can find. Cut my camera off just in case, because I'm down to 12 minutes now. All right, guys, believe it or not, I might be here for a while. The line is super long, and I'll show you that in a minute. Let me try to get a top water lure real quick. Oh, I like that bag though. $80. I like that bag. But yeah, let me get a top water lure and I'll be out here as soon as possible. This might have to be a quick grab though. And I'm not sure about top water lures as well. Freshwater period. I'm still learning freshwater, guys. I am. Oh, it might be in the aisle. Let's see. So not top water. Let's go back this way. Okay, might be in the right department now. Ocean, hot deals, baby bass. It's kind of something top right here. Oh, scale. Alright, guys, I just turned my camera off just to actually look at this. I'm thinking about I might go with this one. Just try first top water lure in my collection. And this was the only one sitting there. Well, here's one right here. Should I try this? Kind of want to try this one. Favorite color is blue. But then I kind of like that one. Right. I'll go with this, guys. Go ahead.
You go ahead, sir.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
My husband gets here and sees this. He'll probably say forget it.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Yeah, guys, that's the line. All right, over and out. All right, guys, I'm out. Thank you. I made it. Let's go and get in here. I'll put that over there. Right there. Put the camera down. Yeah. Now we go. All right, guys. Oh, what is that? What is that? I don't know what that was. Yeah, like he couldn't swim really. Just, you know what, guys? This water's getting lower and lower. Like, look at that. It used to be up. It's about right here. So that's a couple feet. All that right there, you could tell in my last video maybe the water actually was above that way. You see the base of the tree at the bushes over there. But and it looks late, to be honest, guys. It's actually just about a little after 2, maybe 3 o'clock. I'm not sure, but I wanted to go get another lure today, which I do have a little preview of that. Oh snap. Oh, I thought I dropped it. I thought it'd been dropped. I'm gonna try to do top water today. so it won't pretty much catch a lot of that debris and stuff at the bottom. I'm always fishing at this spot. I'm thinking about changing it up. Thinking about hitting over there on that side. What y'all guys think? Should I try here first? Or should I go over there? I don't know. Let's set up. Let's see. Yeah, once again, guys, here's my lure I'm gonna be using today. Top water, matter of fact. And notice what I always do. I'm always doing like a one lure challenge. Like I always pretty much bring just one lure out. I don't really bring a whole bag out as much. So basically I'll be doing challenges if you actually look at it. So, but this gonna be my challenge today. This guy's top water. So let's see it in action, shall we? Alright guys, let's try this out. Back at it again. Once again. I keep getting caught up. Not good. Wrapping around too. Maybe redo this line, recut it. Line at the end, see? It's actually coming apart from each other. Come on here, fishy, fishy. Come by here. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on, girl. Whatever you are. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Take it up on the treble hooks. Keeps getting caught on the treble hooks. This one, the front one right there. The tail, not so much. Rarely on the tail so far, even though I just got it today. But the front one, yeah. Come on. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on. Let me have one before I go. Come on. Did I get one here at home base? Nothing? No, reel it on in. Reel it on in. Nobody hungry today. Gnats out here, these bugs out here. I know some of y'all fish see this, man. Come on. Alright guys, probably my last spot. Yeah, I believe this might be my last spot. I'm gonna try. Then I guess this little challenge I got with the top water is not it for the day. Alright, so. Alright. My line is on my treble hook. Just maybe. Should I get something a little darker than this next time? Or what? It should be banging. Should have had one already. Should have had one. Tell you the truth, last week I did go over there. I walked all, oh my bad, the camera's right down. I walked all the way around, all the way to this back corner over here where you can see that drain at over there. Matter of fact, you saw my last video, you'll see it in the drone. But it's a lot more bigger spots right behind the video that you actually see. But I didn't catch nothing that day either. They went after it though. They sure did, like 2 of them chased it. But by the time I saw them and I kind of stopped it, they went the other direction. Like they just wanted to race it or something. Or taunt it or get it out of a location. What was that? Like this is bad century over here, boys. Get them out of here. All right, let's go, man. All right, guys, this is it for today. I normally was trying to do like a 1 lure challenge. Like I don't bring my tackle my box or bag or whatever when I come fishing, especially back in the back. Like I said, I just want to do like 1 lure challenge basically. My last video was pretty much a 1 lure challenge, but I didn't really say. But that's what I've been doing pretty much, is bringing 1 lure out here and see how that day goes. Which I don't really like today, so I might give this a challenge another try because it's so cloudy today. The sun barely broke through. Early it broke through big time, so I thought I was gonna have a good day, especially at like 12:30, almost 1 o'clock. But after that, I got ready to go, get ready to get everything ready to go out here, and went up to the academy, bought this lure. It was getting back cloudy. Matter of fact, it looked like it was about to storm in a way. But guys, yeah, that's it for right now. I should have everything with me. If not, I have to come back here and get it. See if the water's warm or not. Let's see. Oh, there goes bass right there. Top of the water, small guy. Should I try it? Alright, yeah, guys, that's it. By the time I got ready to throw it, which I did throw it, he was pretty much almost gone. I kind of thought I knew where he was at, and I threw over him, I believe, but it was no go. He wasn't that big though. But I just wanted to try it out, test him out with it. And he didn't go after it, so